Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about the flash crash, the crash that has happened yesterday. Still a little bit, but we're starting to come out of this. Here's what I want to talk to you about. I want to basically show you exactly what happened, and we're going to cut to the chase. This was market manipulation, period, end of story. I'm going to show you a few things of how it all developed and how it all played out. Okay, so again, nothing to worry about, nothing inherently wrong. You can see even from the screen that we're starting to really kind of come back from this. This is a good thing. So we're going to dive into this here in just a minute. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you for your support of my channel. All right, here we go. So Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin crashed, so to speak, flash crash as they're calling it, right? Air quotes there. About $7,000 yesterday. Bitcoin dumped 7,000 to 43,000 as $2.6 billion was liquidated in minutes yesterday. It happened around 10 or 11 o'clock ballpark Dallas time yesterday. The reason I know it, I was literally sitting in front of my computer. We were down a little bit, and then all of a sudden, bam, it just plummeted. It started going down, okay? I immediately did a couple of videos and did a live stream and things like that. It was really crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so that is what has happened. Now, I want to paint you a picture here. I want to show you something. Look at this. If you didn't know this, here you go. Most of the liquidations reportedly took place on Bybit, and the largest single liquidation order happened on Huobi, and it had face value of over $43 million. That's your big, huge red candlestick there. Okay, right here, look at this. This was Bitcoin. This is everything you're seeing in hour trading. We're running along nicely. You can't tell me that this was not market manipulation. When you all of a sudden spike down like this is absolutely market manipulation here. Because if we were in a crash, if we were moving forward, moving down, if this was an overall, the state of the union is not good and the sky is falling, it would have went like this. Okay? It would not have gone like this. It would not have done this. Market manipulation. Want more proof? Does this look familiar? It's exactly the same chart. Exactly. Okay? Market manipulation. Absolutely transpired. Absolutely played out. Okay? So, by the way, if you need help, you want help, if you want to have direct access to me, you want me to help you with your portfolio, you want to not be alone in your journey in days like yesterday and kind of today, you want help, you want guidance, you want to be part of a community, then click the link in the description below, check it out. You get direct access to me. I give you help on your own portfolio. I'll look at what you have, and you can see my inner circle portfolio. You get buy, sell to trade alerts when I'm buying, when I'm selling, things of that nature. If you are a current patron, please drop in the comments below and let people see, hey, instead of just coming from me, it comes from you guys. By the way, at $20, you can join and cancel at any time. So you can get access, join and cancel if you want to. And it's less than what it costs you to go to Starbucks 2 or 3, 4 times a month, depending upon which one of those coffees you're buying. All right, because Starbucks is pretty expensive, isn't it? So let's continue to talk about this. Bitcoin price plunge below 43,000 in minutes, crypto market rout. Okay, so what I want to show you is this. Here's what happened. So remember, yesterday, El Salvador officially became the first country to enable brain embolism there, for it to become their currency. Okay, it's no coincidence, I think, that this event, this major flash crash that everybody seems to be calling it, happened on the exact same day. Okay, Bitcoin, $333 billion worth of Bitcoins. $333 billion wiped off total market cap on Bitcoin's worst day since May. Crazy, right? I mean, again, this was market manipulation. If you're looking for kind of why it happened and what transpired and all that kind of stuff, again, I already kind of told you, look, most of the liquidations reportedly took place on Bybit, and the largest single liquidation happened over on Huobi. Okay, so let me show you this. So again, Bitcoin dumped 7,000 to dip below 43 look at that, 2.6 billion was liquidated in minutes. Okay, Bitcoin crashed 7,000. It went from down from high 50s or so, in that kind of 57,000 in a matter of minutes. In a completely unexpected turn of events, Bitcoin's price crashed below 43,000 in a matter of minutes. This happens on the same day that El Salvador officially recognized the illegal tender of what many call the Bitcoin Day. Okay, I think this was a concerted effort. I think this really was. I think this was market manipulation. In 2 consecutive candles, Bitcoin's price lost about $7,000 worth of its value right here. That's what you're seeing right there. Since then, it has somewhat recovered to 46.6. Yep, 46.2. Okay. The event also saw a tremendous spike in the daily liquidations, as can be expected, and this was a cascading event. It spilled over into everything else. Cardano, Ethereum, XRP, everything. Dogecoin dropped dramatically, 25-30+%. Polkadot, everything was dropping like a rock. Everything. Okay. Data shows in the past hour alone, over 2.57 billion were liquidated, while this number adds up to a grand total of 3.5 in the past 24 hours. Craziness, isn't it? 333 billion wiped off the total market cap on Bitcoin's worst day since May. Market Watch saw its worst day, major sell-off. We already talked about this. It created this kind of cascading effect. Okay, so let's bring this home. Let's land this plane. Is this going to continue? No. This was a market manipulation scenario. We're already bouncing back dramatically. We were down dramatically higher. Did you see how I refreshed that? That was a negative 9.29, and I hadn't refreshed the screen yet. So we've already come back from being down 9% in the last 24 hours to being up 0.81. Bitcoin itself was down dramatically. You can see that it's kind of starting to right that ship. It did go down into 43,000 range. Ethereum touched 3,000, coming back. Cardano touched, I looked at this yesterday. Cardano actually touched low here of 247, 222. That's not giving me the right data right there. There it is, like 230, 222. So yeah, Cardano went down dramatically down in the like 220 range. Again, Ethereum dipped below and got into the 3,000. I think Ethereum hit 3,000-ish, right in that, like below 3,100 if I'm remembering correctly from yesterday. Solana took a little bit of a hit. Solana has been just the one that's just defying all odds, right? Just crushing it. Like I said, Dogecoin dropped about 25-30+%, coming back as well. So that's kind of nice to see. Polkadot, everything here was red. I mean, I was letting my Patreon members know, hey, this is a buying opportunity. That was a video I did yesterday. Did a live stream yesterday. This is a buying opportunity, unequivocally. This is market manipulation. If it wouldn't have been market manipulation, we would just kind of gone nice, easy down, etc. Instead, you had a massive flash sale that was caused, that frankly was caused on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin cascaded over into Ethereum. And when you get those two cascading down like this is Ethereum's chart. It looks almost exactly the same. I have to tell you, I literally have to say, this is Bitcoin, this is Ethereum. They look exactly positive. Ethereum and Bitcoin do tend to kind of walk lockstep, kind of step beside each other. But it cascaded over into everything. It's all good. Take a breath. See you later. Thank you for your support. Bye.